Valentine's Day is approaching. Check out this fun and lovable DIY. It's paper heart hanging DIY for room decor on Valentine's Day. So, are you ready? Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you want to learn DIY art and craft, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it if you want to be the first one to know when I upload a new video. You're going to love this DIY ideas of making a beautiful heart wall hanging. In this video, you will learn to make two types of wall hanging decor with paper heart. Let's get started. For this you will need Yeah, it's done. Your beautiful paper heart garland is ready. Isn't it so easy to make and can be used to decorate your home during any celebrations, Valentine's, baby shower and birthdays. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you decide to try out from this video, so please make sure to share your picture on any of my social media with hashtag DIY with Sangeeta's Creations, and your picture will get chance to get featured. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you want to see next. Comment down below. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.